Welcome to Defending Digital. I'm Chad Warner. Today's topic: need social media safety tutorials? A review of Smart Social. I'm on a mission to help people protect themselves and their families online, and I love discovering others with the same mission. Smart Social has a membership with many detailed internet safety tutorials aimed at parents of tweens and teens. I'd like to tell you more about it so that you can decide if a Smart Social membership is right for you. Overview. Smart Social, which you can find at defendingdigital.com/go/smart-social, has a VIP membership with internet safety video tutorials and guides. Their mission is, quote, "We keep students safe on social media so they can shine online," end quote. They say their, quote, "courses are like a digital driver's ed for student online safety," end quote. Many social media safety experts focus on the negatives of social media, teaching kids not to use it and teaching parents to prohibit their kids from using it. Instead of taking that approach, Smart Social motivates kids to make better choices online, so they have a good digital reputation to be seen by future college admissions officers and employers. And they help parents assist their kids with this goal. The content covers a range of topics, including social media safety, screen time, digital reputation, parental controls, online positivity, online productivity, and cyberbullying. The content is primarily for kids ages 10 to 18, but some is for kids as young as 7 or 8, third grade. What does it mean that this is a membership? It means you pay a membership fee to have access to members-only content. The founder of Smart Social, Jock Oakes, is the author of the book Light, Bright, and Polite, and he speaks to students across the US, teaching them how to establish a good digital reputation. Now, I have a video that gives a good overview of what Smart Social's VIP membership has to offer, and have that embedded in the blog post at defendingdigital.com. Features. The Smart Social VIP membership includes 23 courses at the moment. Each course includes one or more videos, and some courses also include audio, text, PDFs, and quizzes. Some courses are for students, and others are for parents, customized to the different needs and interests. A few of the topics covered include TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, iPhone parental controls, writing a smartphone and social media agreement, negative effects of social media and screen time on students, the Smart Social Summit, which has 41 talks on a variety of topics by many experts, how a child looks in Google search results, and bullying prevention. All the features that I'm going to run through here are included in the annual plan, and all of them except live group workshops and monthly Q&A are included in the monthly plan. And I'll tell you about pricing in a few minutes. Safety videos for students. These are social media safety basics. Mental health videos for students, which tell about maintaining positive online relationships. Digital footprint videos for students, which tell how to monitor your digital reputation. Resume videos for students, which teach how to build an online portfolio to improve your digital reputation. Shine Online videos for students, more about how to establish a digital reputation. Live group workshops. These are quarterly live video calls that teach how to improve your digital reputation. Monthly Q&A with Smart Social. Here you have the ability to ask questions each month in the Parents Forum and see answers to questions from other parents. Pros and cons. The resources are frequently updated to keep up on the changing popularity of platforms and their changing features. Smart Social does their research, providing many details about the platforms, how they're being used, their dangers, and the precautions your kids should take. The videos are engaging and include people speaking and screencasts. There's a variety to the speakers, including digital parenting experts, law enforcement officers, and kids. In addition to giving tips specific to platforms, Smart Social gives general safety and reputation management advice that's applicable even to platforms that aren't covered. The content isn't simply dry and informational. It includes actual stories that illustrate real-world positive and negative consequences. These lend credibility, which is valuable for skeptical kids, and also make the content more engaging. Although there's a lot to like about Smart Social, there are some downsides. I admit this is minor, but some phrases such as shine online and light, bright, and polite are said so frequently that the repetition becomes annoying, especially if you consume several resources in a short period of time. The Smart Social Community Forum has posts going back to November 2019, but there's almost no engagement by members. Almost all the posts are by Smart Social, with only a couple from members. Only a few of these posts have comments, and there are only a handful of comments in total. Forums have significantly decreased in popularity in recent years, as social media groups, such as Facebook groups, have increased in popularity. Smart Social does have a members-only Facebook group, but I don't know how active it is. The pricing is relatively high, especially if you only use a few of the resources, or stop using the resources before your membership expires, the way many people treat their gym membership. But if you take advantage of many of the resources and stay engaged throughout your membership, it becomes more worth the price. Speaking of the Smart Social price, the VIP membership is available on a monthly or annual basis. So it's $9.99 per month or $97 per year, which is a 19% discount. If you're not sure if Smart Social's VIP membership is right for you, you'll be happy to know that you can cancel anytime. There's no long-term commitment. Also, there's a 1-month trial. So if you use it for up to 30 days and decide that it's not for you, you can cancel and not be out any money. Who it's best for. Based on its content, Smart Social's VIP membership is best for parents protecting kids online, kids, especially ages 10 through 18, protecting themselves online, people who want a one-stop shop for social media safety advice rather than hunting for it from several sources, people who like clear directions on what to do. Content from other sources may talk about social media dangers or protection methods, but leave you to figure out how to take action. And people who are interested in protecting themselves and or their kids online. Others won't be motivated to act on the content. If you wouldn't dream of paying for content online, then know that you can find similar content spread across the web, but you'll need to do the work of finding it and then creating an action plan from it. What you should do. 1. Think about what help you need with increasing the social media safety of your kids. What are you struggling with? What questions do you have? 2. Review what's included in the Smart Social VIP membership, which I've described here in this episode. You can also find the blog post that goes along with this episode at defendingdigital.com. And there I have some screenshots from inside the membership area of the site as well. And then after you review the features, decide if membership is right for you. 3. If a Smart Social VIP membership looks good to you, you can sign up at defendingdigital.com/go/smart-social. And 4, once you're a member, start learning and putting what you learn into practice, and get your kids to do the same. That's all for today. If you are interested in learning more about social media safety and internet safety, you can visit defendingdigital.com. If you're enjoying the podcast, I'd love it if you would tell a friend about it. Maybe you have a friend who has kids who are running into trouble with social media and could use some help with that. So send them over to this episode, send them over to the website. And then if you are enjoying the podcast, I'd love it if you'd leave a rating or review in Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, wherever you are listening to this. Just leave a star rating. And if you can leave a text comment as well, that'd be great. Thanks.